name is Lonnie Sabance, and I'm with Axial Family Advisors. I'm a partner in the firm. We're a multi-family office. We help families coordinate their personal financial assets. I had the opportunity last month to go to the Lamborghini factory in Italy. Lamborghini is just a flagship name in the exotic car industry. Yes, are they beautiful? Yes, are they fast? Are they sexy? Are they exciting? Of course they are. But you know what? They make people smile. People absolutely become happy, and they smile and they love when they see a Lamborghini coming down the road. I think it transcends all generations, all types of people. I don't think it really matters. If you like the car, you appreciate the lines, you appreciate the history of what it's all about, I don't think it matters.